Thank you so much for these beautiful recognitions of the work of the Brahma Kumaris. I'm Sister Denise, and I came with Sister Chandru way back in 77 or so. We got an idea, and we had no idea that some ideas don't become practical. So we just got an idea and we thought immediately, well, let's just go and do it. And so we did, and look what happened after actually 4 decades of slowly, diligently meditating. I mean, when I first came here, I thought, well, we need to begin with meditation. And so I was able to do 14 hours a day meditation, sitting for 90 days. And it was a really empowering experience. And from that time, people from nowhere started to come. And myself and Sister Chandru, with faith and with commitment, we had nothing, but slowly, everything started to happen. And from a tiny little one-room flat on Irving and 19th Avenue, just above an auto body shop and across the road from a Kentucky Fried Chicken, which wasn't very Raj Yogi, but anyway. And then we moved after some time to a nice place on Clement Street, where we were living together with, all of us were different religious backgrounds, different body colors, and different races, and we all lived together harmoniously. And it was a real proof of the benefits of what we had studied in Raj Yoga. And now to see here what has happened, I really would like to congratulate Sister Chandru and the team. Now we have the beautiful retreat place at Anubhuti. I hope all of you will come and join us for retreats there. And so once again, thank you so much to the city of San Francisco. Om Shanti.